Yo, what's good? What's good? New week, new profits, boys. Let's fucking get it. Let's fucking get it. Today's looking interesting. Today's looking interesting. We might be getting on something, right? You seen this? Alright, don't fucking jump the gun too early. I'm risking a bit here, right? Let's wait for the people to come in. Make sure you guys leave your likes. Need those likes, man. GU, this could have been possible as well, but a bit too risky. I'm gonna let it sit there. You know, just to watch it. Few minutes, 15 minutes until market open on futures. Let's see what we get. Got this right here. All right. The people need to jump in fast, man. I can't be giving you all this, man. Just need to show up, man. That's all you need. Show up. Showing up is all you need to do, brother. Yo, my guy Dino. What's up? Hi, Dino. I'm gonna let you on this one. Bit of a risky one. But it's a thing of having the double sweep on New York. Nah. I'm on nothing then. I'm not nothing. Yeah, you see it. Market's not technically open yet, but we just had like a double sweep into the New York session, you know. So now we can have one of those opens where it just melts in this. But I'm taking this on an account that's in drawdown, and it's also. Shut up. Isso está além das minhas habilidades no momento. Shit. But this is gonna be taken on an account that's like in drawdown, and I have to pass it this week. So yeah, just going a bit risky on it. What's up? Hey, say hello if you're watching, man. Don't leave me alone in this. Come on. GU. There could have been this, maybe. I'll explain it in a bit. But not that good yet as well. Also, the reason why EU doesn't look that good is because there's just a major high that's just above, waiting to be swept. This is looking like... I mean, this could play out for our trade. If we go short on the NQ, which we're kind of trading, we might see this fail, which could have been super good. As too long, super good, because this reaction is super good. They take out Asia and all that. It can be super good. So if this fails, that would be also super good for our position. But I don't know. Let's see. Market isn't even open yet. Still need 10 minutes into it. I see you boys leaving likes. Thank you. But hop in the chat, man. Hop in the chat and talk to me. What are you guys seeing? Do you feel like it's gonna be a good trading day today? Are the charts looking clean to y'all? For me, I'm still waiting. NQ and ES look the same, exactly. But as you can see, this NQ is here on London. You have this liquidity here, and on ES, it's way far. It has to do way more movement. And if it takes out this, it takes out also the previous daily low. So I guess it's a bit more than NQ. And NQ also looks a bit better in terms of structure. You see, because the previous daily low, it's also far on NQ. But London isn't on like... This London session in Asia, it's kind of like here on ES. You know? So I have to do all of this. And NQ seems to be a bit closer. But yeah. Since this is a trade before market open, yo, what's up, fair dudes? This can be a bit risky. This could be I mean, not a bit risky. This is risky, and it can easily be stopped out in a minute, less than a minute even. What's up, boys? What's up? Say hello in the chat. Let me know who's in here. Right, I can see everyone's typing. So take advantage to ask some questions. I see y'all leaving likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But really, boys, talk to me, talk to me. Yeah, this risky position on ES. See, the entry on ES was like this, refined, and we're already been swapped out. It's just a test. This I didn't take, boys. But this on NQ, maybe. Let me just wait for a market to open, because we either melt down and I'm in, or takes me in and we stopped out, or it just goes up and I can cancel the order and just go on a safer route. Who's living that much likes? It's Ferdouz, right? Is you Ferdouz? Hey, yo, what are you seeing, Ferdouz? Where are you trading today? I fucking know it. What are you trading today, Ferdouz? But if it sweeps this on ES, there could be a good structure to position ourselves. But it's already too many sweeps and it's already gonna be market open. I would prefer to be in already before the market actually opens, because then it's risky. It can literally just give me a wick and then take me out. I don't know, man. I'm risking like 1.5% on this account right here, which I don't really care. It's a bit on drawdown. It isn't at the end of the world. It's like minus 0.5, but this account needs to be passed like this week, passed or blown. And it's a challenge, so yeah, don't care, But just something that I see, and if I were to test it on backtesting, I also gotta do it in the live markets. All right, don't question too much, don't hesitate. If you see it on backtesting, you take it as well on live. Because although it may be risky, and although you might not care that much in backtesting, you are profitable in backtesting. So if you want to replicate the same data, the same results, you gotta trade like you would in backtesting. What your boy seeing, man? Not taking any trade G. I see set up a risky that I avoided. I will take only clean chicken shot. Yeah, man, take only clean chicken shot. I don't know, man. Yeah, man, hopefully we get some. Black gold at it's in the middle of nowhere. But if you go, I don't know if any of you are trading oil. In oil, there's some interesting in hourly. You got these two liquidities, all right. Remember them. If you trade oil, either watch it do this or watch it do this. Clean areas on oil, like this. Equal highs right here, and major equal lows. So proximity factor, these are the closest, this liquidity is the closest, so you might get hit first and you might be able to short towards this liquidity that has the most amount of liquidity, right? Because it's equal lows on higher time frame and super likely to get it swept. Gold, not really seeing much. It might just go up from here. Bitcoin, we're sweeping something here. We're sweeping some from Friday. Giving it a double sweep, there might be a position here. If I was trading EU, GU, I'll probably be longing in here. right? But it would look something like this maybe, or in the entry above here. But yeah, just a test, guys. Just a test. Just for us to see. There's nothing to be risking out here. Waiting on this market to open. What about you, boys? What y'all guys seen? What you guys seen, man? With 7 in here. Make sure you call out your friends, man. Don't be jumping in the live like in 2 hours. Right now is the best time. Okay. Right now is the best time. We're gonna get the market to open, and yeah, maybe I can provide some good trades to y'all. GU. The thing is, mechanically, GU is good, but like EU, liquidity above. Okay, so which means EU has a high chance of continue to go up, and if EU and GU are simulated, GU can continue up as well. DXY is the one that rules both, right? Opposably, of course, and it has this major liquidity down below. But at the same time, it has some distance to it, and it can reverse from here, like reverse a little bit, retrace a little bit, which is what I was looking for in GU. But I don't know, man. I don't know, because we can easily take this and then continue to go higher. That's a possibility. But yeah, not taking the risk. But this could have been a trade that you could take like on the challenge, let's say. More risky, but you take it on challenge, because then we swap the liquidity, like we swapped it a bunch of times, but these times when we swap it multiple times is when you get your session indicator out and you see how many sweeps we actually do in terms of the sessions, to give you some guidance. Because in here we did 1 sweep, 2 sweeps, right? You could have shorted, but then it's New York trap timing, so you don't touch the market, so it does another sweep, right? Okay, then we jump on New York, 1 sweep, 2 sweeps, and now it's mechanically good to go, good to take a trade. Okay, always remember 2 sweeps after the liquidity sweep, but those 2 sweeps have to be in the same session. So that's a rule. That's a rule of mine. So man, if I'm still not in before the market open, it can be some sort of a gamble, man. Can be some sort of a gamble. Because then it's just like trading news, and I can be fucked with. Yeah. And it seems like it will sweep above. If it sweeps above, we have this structure, and then we might be able to short in here. Okay, yeah. So look, I'm gonna cancel this. The thing is, yeah. The thing is, right now it's not as clear as I would like it to be. So hey, I'm gonna stop the bullshit and just wait for the market to open, right? Especially on live. Oh shit, going good. Yes sir, Ferdouz. Yes sir. You got any funded accounts, bro? Bro is greedy. My god, man, ready to smash it, bro. Ready to smash it. I mean, I have these accounts. I just noticed that I have 2 accounts that I need to pass in 1 week. One is at half percent down, which is alright, but the other one is like 3% up. So hey, I mean, it's 1 week and like 2 weeks, 1.5 week, maybe 2 weeks. So I'm still being patient with it. But the one on drawdown, couldn't care less, man. Couldn't care less. The thing is, I'm not being like these are still valid in a sense where I would take them on backtesting, you know. So I'm not even forcing it like that. I'm also ready to buy 2 new ones today. I'm either losing 2 and buying 2, or I'm gonna be break even. I see, man. Hey, let's fucking get it, man. Let's fucking get it. All right. Remember, the more you have, the more chances you get to also pass them. And if you guys want, Apex still has 80% off until like next week or so, or until the end of this week. So make sure to take advantage. 80% off, and get yourself funded. The more accounts you have, the more likelihood you'll get funded. All right, just stack them up because these cost around $20 or so. Okay, Fardus. Okay, I see that. Yeah, maybe it's better for you, Fardus. Just grow that account, trade live, and but don't just try to flip that shit. Don't just try to turn your $10 into a million. Okay, don't try some Alex G shit. All right, trade safe, G's. Trade safe. Try to flip the account, but like keep it at 5-6% per trade. Let's say if you have a small account. Yo, Wick, what's up? Man, how's the Nepal situation now? My Instagram feed is like filled up with Nepal GTA memes. That shit crazy. To September. I mean, to September is gone, man. I think it's like 2021 or some. I think. So let's say within a week. Within a week, the discount's gone. It's better now, but at least I saw you guys. You guys good. Like you guys did the whole protest, but I saw like you guys cleaned afterwards as well. Be on to something good now. LSC. I also saw that you guys got elected your government on Discord. That shit crazy. But yo, the world's going crazy now. The world's going crazy. Especially in Europe, all the migration issues and the Charlie Kirk murder. People are protesting all over the world. Yeah, but in a sense, it was World War III because of all like Ukraine and Israel Palestine stuff. But right now, it's more like World War III, but it's the people against the government. Oh, y'all elected a female. Don't tell me it's because she was good, man. Don't tell me it's because she's a baddie. Especially like on Discord, man. What the hell? Nah, but hopefully she's good. I didn't see it yet. All I'm seeing is like crazy memes of Nepal. She's like 70, bruh. Why? I mean, if she's still able to move, if she's not like a Queen Elizabeth, where it's someone behind her controlling everything, and her just signing documents or shit. Yeah, compare both and inconsistently play there. Yeah, just don't be greedy. Just don't be greedy. You know, you got this. Cause you was passing all the accounts, so you just do that with live money, real money, and you can get paid. Or just do the same. Like you have your account, anything you make above it, you just withdraw it. Withdraw. She's temporary, okay. She has done good work in the past, so that's why. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, maybe. Not doing any risky stuff like 100 to 2000. Yeah, that's good. That's good, man. That's good. That's good. Alright, what we seeing, people? What we seeing? This geo paper trades kind of plain, kind of. By the way, hit let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, man. Let's fucking go. I didn't take the other one, which was TP. But what were you seeing? What were we seeing though? Was it a long here? Push, baby, push. Efficiency here, maybe like no. What did you take here? Was it a long at the end of the day on New York or so? Or you were short? But here there's not much to short, unless you didn't wait for Asia to be swept, or you traded Asia because you're in Asia and also it's an Asian pair. It was on the same time as G longs, so in New York, then. Okay, okay, okay. I see. Yeah. Once we to sweep. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. I just. Oh, but you got TP like today or so, right? Because the reason why I was also confused is that this I didn't think like this was enough to get yourself a TP. This movement, so I guess you get TP today. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. 'Cause I was thinking on some future shit like you can't hold overnight or so. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good, man. And right now, this level right here, I might add this shit to my playlist just to see, to my playlist, to my watch list. Up, draw this line right here, going from one liquidity to another, right? Um, but yeah, Australian dollar. Thing is, thing is that I'm still looking for the XY to go a bit more down, so which would mean okay. I was thinking I need the XY to go a bit more down because there's liquidity underneath it, and right here I've just got a liquidity marked. So yeah, we might be going there. Might be going there. This area I would have to see how the XY looks once we sip this. But right now, this is also a good area to target. Even though you bought here after the efficiency, which is good, which is valid. Right now, it's kind of a low in the middle of nowhere, which can easily be tagged. So yeah, AU looking kind of good. These futures just went up. Not much to do here. Not much to do. I would love to take advantage of some longs. Yeah. Yeah. Huge liquidity. High time frame. Oh, but you see, like all of these going up whilst this is going down. So Dow Jones, if it sweeps this, there's a good possibility for longs. There's a good possibility for longs. Well, what we seeing, people? What we seeing? Make sure to leave your likes. Comment on the chat. I can see every one of y'all messaging. I'll respond to y'all if you have some questions or if you have some pairs you'd like to see. Well, I was talking about gold going up. This motherfucker just skyrocketed. But that's gold for you. Silver, it's a bit more chilled, but as gold goes up, I mean, silver might just take a rocket. Not financial advice, you know. And on oil, you have these two liquidities, which if you get here, then you short. If you get here, then you buy. Both are super good liquidities. That's if you trade oil, right? Nothing to do here. Open like this is gonna take this rejection, but like, nah. Too many sweeps, not looking that clear, right? What I was telling my premium was ES looking like this, like sweep of liquidity going down, market to open, go up, and then take the shorts. And as you see, that high didn't hold, but at the same time it just continued to go up. So no shorts as of now. Okay. Australian dollar. Make sure if you guys are paying attention to Australian dollar or wake, make sure you notify me if this liquidity gets hit. Appreciate that. This GU is kind of dead. What we have as far as news? Today there's nothing. Tomorrow there's retail sales. There's not much. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's FOMC in Wednesday. Okay. 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 So yeah, FOMC week. Let's see if we can still get some movement until FOMC. But yeah, Wednesday. Watch out for that. Might be slow. The day might be slow. It might still give you a setup though, but then it will go crazy, especially on futures. I mean, on both Forex and futures. Okay. The only thing that would make me short here is if we could get like a good looking trap, like price going down from here, breaking structure, and then going back up. That's the only way. But yeah, what you guys seeing, man? You guys watching but not talking. Yeah. Damn, man. We're losing people. We're losing people, man. It's whatever. Shout out to the real ones. They are here. Gonna catch something today or whatever. We're still up for the live streams, even though we haven't been trading much. But yeah, I'll rather be not trading that much than be losing all over. Yeah, the GU is just a paper trade. Because mechanically, it has done everything. Because even though you had one sweep, two sweeps, and then a bunch of sweeps following that, right, it gets unclear. But because of the sessions factor, you pull up the session indicator, and then you can map out stuff, and you can see how we do one sweep on New York, two sweeps on New York, and then it's kind of valid, you know. Besides all the unclearness of the multiple sweeps, but after the liquidity sweep, the major liquidity sweep, the only thing is also like EU has chance to go up as the liquidity is right here, and DXY, I mean, just swept the liquidity right here, so it's kind of more similar to GU than to EU, and it could go up here, but yeah, also has this liquidity right here. So GU is kind of underlying the two. But yeah, this is just a paper trade to see. But could have been kind of valid if you were to trade it on a challenge per se, and you have multiple accounts and you don't care, right? You're still taking valid stuff, but you're trading like you would in backtesting, right? You're up a ton, you don't care, you just take this. Not because like you're taking for taking, but like it's still valid to the plan. There's still some consequences to it. It's just kind of risky. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Will it go down from here? Here, one sweep, two sweep, but it made a third sweep. Otherwise, I would be shorting this. Because we gotta prioritize longs. But hey, it's looking well. Because we went from one liquidity to another, and now we're leaving this stuff. If we take London, if we take Asia, you might as well just take this all of this, and we also have this efficiency down below. But hey, the risky thing by trying to catch the tops and lows of the market is that price can just continue. So I would only take something like this if it was like London close, which would mean a retracement of the day. And like worst, like minimum case scenario would be like going to these lows to make like efficiency with London price action. But what do y'all think? Don't just rely on me, man. If you disagree with any of the ideas I'm talking about, then let me know in the chat. No one will shoot at you by having an opinion. Okay, we're having this. We're seeming to be having this, right? The thing is that we can also come here because like this can easily become a smart money trap. And if we come here, might as well take this, right? And yeah, this is kind of being a trend line. So if we could sweep this and like kind of break the trend line, maybe we can get a retracement to the upside. But yeah, mark this out. But yeah, this Dow Jones seems like it's the best pair at the moment, really. And it's also building a trend line like this. And if we manage to sweep this, then this would also be like a good smart money trap, just because of the reaction. Same way it did here on London. You see like this reaction and all that. So yeah, it would be good to get a sweep here and then long it until the New York highs up here. Did we just went from 6 viewers to 11? What's up, people? What's up? Hey, let me know which pairs are you watching, and let me see. You're getting privilege here, right? To the efficiency, and then a trap. Oh yeah, in order to search for the major liquidity. Okay. I see what you mean. Yeah, definitely. Because as this liquidity is broken, you can transform it as an efficiency now, and then look for a trap here, or if it's London close, because London was also bullish. So if New York is bearish, and then London will close, will mimic London's bias, meaning will be bullish, and not necessarily wait for a trap. But yeah, let's see. But that's a good idea that you had. That's a good idea for sure. Slightly risky, but yeah. And these are more the internal setups, but they have been playing quite nice. But yeah, you have to understand that. I mean, I think you know, but to just the people, there's external setups and there's internal setups, and the safer ones are the external. The more risky ones are the internal, because although we were sure that this liquidity will get hit, we're kind of not sure where it's gonna like go to that liquidity. So in a sense, it could be here, but price can also go lower, take other liquidity, and then go there. So we will still be right, but we might be wrong in the term of like selecting the bad area. So that's the risky part out of it. And then once you take this liquidity, then you can look for shorts, as it's safer than the internal position. So like we're sure that this only will get taken, it's just unsure of where price will retrace to it, so we can long from there. But on futures, I've been taking longs on longs just to take, for example, this. There was a liquidity on ES. This is micro ES, where was it? Yeah, like last week. That was longs here, that was longs here, that was longs here. I didn't take this, but I take this longs and these longs. You know, because I wasn't looking for the moon. I wasn't greedy and I wasn't holding to multiple days. And I would have been stopped out. So took long here, got a win. Took longs here, got a win. That's 6R right there. And then boom, here. Not a good zone for longs, but then it's like super late. Yeah, so far nothing. So far nothing. Let's see this. It's bouncing off of it, man. I really hope to this to get taken. What are you boys seeing, man? Don't tell me Wick is the only one seeing something in the live markets. Boys, take advantage, man. Take advantage because I can see y'all messages. We might have done a trap here. Huh? It isn't the cleanest. It isn't the cleanest. NQ keeps going. Nah, I would just be trying to call out the tops. This motherfucker keeps running. GU. Yeah. It's a waiting game, boys. It's a waiting game. It's a shame, but it's a waiting game. How is the stream, by the way? Is the stream laggy? It's a waiting game, boys. It's a waiting game. It's a shame, but it's a waiting game. The stream is laggy or what? Let me know, boys. I'm sorry for the technical issues. We'll try to fix that. Stream's good? Okay. Seemed a bit laggy on my part. Yo, what's up, Last Hope? You there and you don't say nothing, man. You cleaning the streets of Nepal whilst watching the stream or what? Come on, guys. How has your performance been lately? Sheesh. This shit, yeah. Could have been like break even, just a little bit. Just out of safety. Australian dollar, just because like it's making equal lows, equal highs, sorry. You could have taken the longs here to take advantage, but man, it's too risky zones. Like if we take this, why not take Asia? And if we take Asia, why not take the whole thing? You know, that's the only thing I don't like. Because if it looked clean, like a liquidity here, that would get swept, and then you take the longs. That could have been a great trade. August was bad, yeah, man. I think it was almost bad for everyone, but then at the same time, no one forces you to trade August, right? So you gotta only blame yourself for taking trades if there was kind of shit. And then this, because yeah, you gotta remember December and August are always months like that. Sometimes, right? Not all the times, but it's just the fact of institutions and banks going on holidays. Okay. It's going up. Not much to see. Anyone taking gold? Anyone took advantage of this? God damn, man. Yeah, it's confluent to the XY. All right, boys. Give me just a second. I'm uh I'm gonna grab a monster real quick. How do you know which news are strong? Man, you just look at which ones are red folder or not. I mean, it depends. Do you guys like have a Forex Factory and investing.com, for example, available in Nepal? I'm asking that because I know in Indonesia they got it banned. Yeah, exactly. But if you want the strongest news, it's FOMC, CPI, um, FOMC, CPI, NFP. Then you can have like medium ones which still move the market, but like let's say these I just mentioned, they move like 40 pips, 60 pips sometimes. I mean, depends also. Sometimes they're quite shit and the market's dead. But normal conditions, 46 pips, 60 pips, you can expect to move out of that range. Then you have PPI, PMI, which are more on that like 20 pips range. And always the USD will always be the more strongest ones, of course. hmm These continue to go up, which means Dow Jones. Yeah, I knew this would be a trap, but man, this couldn't just like sweep it or what? Yeah, exactly. Red ones. Even between the red ones, I mean, hopefully what I just said like explained to you. But yeah, like rates, inflation, employment is obviously gonna be the fundamental stuff that's more impactful in the economy and the overall currencies. Mm, all right. Got 6 people watching, 6 likes, man. Come on, bro. Drop your likes. Make sure you stay in the stream. I mean, stay in the stream. Like, it's whatever. If you want to leave, it's a free life, you know. It's a free country. But yeah, I was about to say like this is the predominant times where you want to be joining the live stream usually, right? But market's quite dead, man. I think they got cameras on me, man. Cause like ever since I started these live streams, the market's just been dead. We just had one good day, which was Tuesday, and I called a winner, but it was just like off stream that it TP'd, but I call it the entry live. But uh, but yeah, man. Cause otherwise I would have been like the best streamer by now. I just playing, but yeah. Maybe some London close with tracement, maybe some shorts in NQ and ES, but that between an hour or so. What are you guys seeing? I know Wick is keeping an eye on the Australian dollar, but what about the rest of you guys? Look, I'm a drink a monster, right? While being on the markets and goddamn having this trade play out, which I didn't take, and possibly not even taking a trade. Because most of the traders don't even need energy drinks to just be crackheads needing dopamine and just trading. And to even just drink coffee, energy drinks, and just to be stable, control yourself, and not be taking anything, man, that's another type of patience. You long on efficiency, yeah. You also said that to me. That's true. That's true. Yeah, both look good. Both look good. Both look good. The shorts on Australian dollar look good. But yeah, they're both against USD, so you probably get the EU first and then get the Australian dollar. Would be a nice ping pong. So yeah, the way it's going, yeah, potentially like a London close retracement, like I was saying, retracement of New York, but overall continuation of the day going up. Yeah, man. This is the real motherfucking trading. Most of the times I'm not even looking at the charts, bro. I mean, for futures, I kind of have to be here and watch this goddamn thing because this can switch in a minute. Whilst Forex takes a bit, you know. But man, this is real life, man. This is real trading. Not trading is also trading, so yeah. But there's been like times recently where I've been taking trades every single day. Because right now I trade EU, GU, NQ, ES. And yeah. And sometimes where the market has been good. But it hasn't been the case last week. But hey, I'm still super up, guys. I've taken a loss Tuesday, yeah, when I started the live stream. I took a loss on Forex, but I still consider myself on a huge winning streak. Cause like ever since, if you watch the vlog, if you didn't go watch it, I just dropped a 40-minute vlog on my mini vacations on the south of Portugal, and whilst in that vlog, I was consistently talking about like manifestation. I want to go harder on trading. I want to scale, you know. Ever since I got back, first week, 10-hour week. All trades documented on YouTube, on live trading videos that are 10 minutes or less. Second week, 8-hour, 2 funded accounts. Passed the challenge on futures. Passed the challenge on futures. Did I say passed the challenge on Forex? Passed the challenge on futures. Just want to make sure I didn't make a mistake there. And then last week was a 5-hour week. Literally 1 loss, 1 break even, and 2 wins on futures. Like, I'm fucking unstoppable, bro. And not only I want to trade and scale, but I also got like accounts that are ready to be passed. Ready to be passed. 3% here, 3% here. All I need is 1 win. All I need is 1 little win in both of them, and boom. Another funded to the bag. We just keep stacking funded, bro. And I even got a funded account like 2 weeks, like I said. It's this one right here, the new one, as you can see, PA. And look, still fresh. Still fresh. Not taking anything until it's the turn of that account to be traded, and until these challenges get expired, meaning I gotta trade them before the whole month is done. And that's why I'm concentrating more on than the funding for now. Okay, as you can see, sweep of this. We can still count as the trend line still like being valid. You know, even if it crossed it, like this type of rejection, the people will still consider the trend line valid. So I'll still keep it here. I really want to see this though, because it would be a decent long. And let's see, Australian dollar is dumping, which means yeah. This trade would have been taken like exactly when I started the stream. But yeah, I didn't take it. It was a bit of a risky one, just because of how EU looked. Hey, this is why mechanically you gotta take it, you know. And I was about to take it. I had it on an account on a challenge, but if it didn't, I couldn't care less. It wouldn't do much for me. What's up? We got 8 people, 7 likes, man. Run that up. Ask questions. What are you seeing, guys? What are you seeing? Risky but work. Exactly, man. Because it's a probabilities game at the end of the day. Right? Like, even if it has like a, I don't know, 20% win rate, chance of passing, there's still 20%, right? You can be lucky and get those 20%. It's all a probabilities game. That's why when you guys get in on a trade, regardless if you think it's gonna pass or not, obviously you're taking the trade because you think it's gonna pass, but in a sense, when you take discretion, when you take like mechanical trades like this, and you just take the discretion off, where you tell yourself, well, this is probably gonna be a loser, but because of my rules, I really gotta take this. I gotta be mechanical, because if this passes later on, I'm gonna be mad at myself because I didn't execute on what I forecasted or what it's my plan telling me to do. We're on the same trade. I don't know about that, man. Did you take shorts on GU? I didn't take it. I saw it, but I didn't take it. It was a bit risky for me. So I'm just telling the boys that. Yeah, but on London, the thing is, like, there was a double sweep. I don't know if you mean this, but this is just a first sweep after the liquidity sweep. Then this one, it's already like end of London. Like there's not much space. And then if you learn from me, of course, you know that you shouldn't be trading New York chat timing, which is just after London. And this is like this sweep was made 20 minutes before. So yeah, it's super risky to trade it. Ah shit, you never took it. Never mind. Damn, man, but why you trading small time frames? You trying to pass a challenge or what? Yeah, man. Mechanically, the plan was here. I was about to take it on a challenge just cause, but then yeah, it was all. I was also about to start the stream. And yeah, besides that, not seeing much so far. Maybe some longs on you, like Rick was saying, as soon as we come here. Maybe some something on Australian dollar. If we get up here, maybe some longs in this pair. Yeah, at the end, you shouldn't be trading that. You shouldn't be trading the New York trap timing session. Like you got it on the indicator, boy. I'm trying to write this motherfucker down to H4 liquidity. Oh, okay. Let me see what you mean. Do you mean this bitch right here? 34, yeah. Oh, with this one even. Yeah. I mean, when you trade liquidity, you know, bruh. When you know, you know. But yeah, this, yeah. I can see it. Because then look, we just swept a major liquidity and now we're going from one liquidity to another. Potentially. That's... And the only thing is the DXY, man. The DXY can go a little bit more down. That's what I think. Yeah, man, you want to run as well. You got that TP on Ethereum, right? But that bitch slowed down, right? Yeah, slowed down a bit in the weekend. But you got your TP, so... You seen anything, Sean, in terms of like Forex swings, like high time frame liquidities? I swear London rarely gets any setups. By the time it does a sweep and shove, during the ending, I just... Bro, exactly. That's why I don't even touch London nowadays. Like, I see it, but I don't even want to be trading it. Because it's exactly what you're saying. And it gets the same... It's kind of the same as New York. Like New York, sometimes it takes a lot of time, and then it does the sweep. But like then you get like London close afterwards, and you can trade. But because of London ending, and then you get that New York short timing, and then you know like New York afterwards, you just risk being stopped out because New York will search for your stop loss, which will most likely be at the highest or lowest point of the session. And yeah, and even if it doesn't, like even if it's in the middle of London, my win rate isn't as good. So yeah, I would stop London for sure, or just in my case I'm just seeing it. Like if I see anything, I'll take it for sure. But like I'm aware that like I'm worst in London. TP got smashed on ETH, of course. I only like GU and GPY. Sales, but only GU. Give me entry model. I'll be waiting on a... Yeah. Ethereum definitely looks good if you wait until here, or maybe who knows? Maybe this internal sweep can get you there. Maybe this one can get you there, but both things can happen for sure. This would be a risky long. This would be like a safe long. Let me just have a look at this. And then you're mentioning I could see it go a bit up for a bit, maybe. I mean, we just swapped this, but I don't know, man. I saw that we also got some major news on GPY. When is it? Yeah, inflation and rate decision, and towards the end of the week. Yeah, man. Watch out with that. Binance are dumping ETH, bringing it down to my area. I mean, they know what they're doing for sure. Yeah, right now we're just gonna rinse and repeat those E flonks for sure. Man, boring ass markets, bro. Yeah, NJ looked good, but never quite came to where I wanted. Yeah, I don't know. Since GPY is gonna have those major news of inflation and rate decision, I think like it's not gonna do anything until then. I don't know, right? There's also like I can see our shorts also playing out because we also have this gap right here, kind of middle of nowhere. Mm, G is clean. Yeah, Geo is dumping. It was kind of risky at the entry, kind of like all over, but then it would have been good because I was about to take it on this little low, but I think I would be tagged around this level. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, that gap does look nice. Hey, yo, let's get the likes up, people. What are you boys seeing? I know there isn't much in the market. What are you guys seeing? Sean Risk, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm, yeah, man. For anyone watching, I'm just waiting on maybe EU to do this. Risky setup though on the London close, which will be like in an hour. Uh, Australian dollar, but I don't think it will be today. Like either a short of this or a buy from this level, but yeah, maybe not today. And Dow Jones, who knows if it sweep this, might take it. That's what I'm seeing so far in the markets. What about you guys? You seeing the same thing? You seeing other pairs? You disagree with me? Let me know. All right, we got another like. That's good. That's good. Thank you to the person that liked. Let's run those up. And why is everything New Zealand dollar to you, man? Nah, it might be good. It might look good. Uh, sheesh, we up. Oh shit. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, I see what. Wait, isn't this the pair that we had a look beforehand? Oh no, I'm I'm confusing with another pair. But yeah, man. Yeah, all these equal highs, and then maybe like even a little inducement in here, just in case. But I'm gonna mark these two. Yeah, that should look nice. Yeah, people, listen to Sean, man. He's got the eye, man. He's got the third eye. Look, people probably shorting here after seeing Asia being swept, after seeing price keep going up, but still gotta keep going up. Ah, this looks nice. I'm gonna add this bitch. Keep an eye on it, or yeah. Same thing. In what sense? Last hope. I mean, I can see what you mean. I can see what you mean because they both like geographically like close to each other, the same. So yeah, in that sense, yeah. But as far as behavior, I don't know, cause in euro pounds, you can kind of do like a strategy of seeing like what's the currency that's weakest, like stronger, and then you by seeing that you either trade the EU or GU or trade the euro pound itself. Like you can do some strategy by seeing the tree. I've seen that, but I never really dug too deep into that. Exactly, exactly. But yeah, you have the watch list, you have the alarms. That's how it should be uh, when uh, when you're doing that type of trading. But yeah, you must be doing like analysis like maybe every weekend, right? But at the same time, it doesn't need that much work. Maybe just like once a month, you do like a proper analysis. I say proper analysis, but at the same time, like we trade liquidity, right? So like you seen hits, like you guys just tell me pairs, I'm going to them, and then I can just see a high time frame liquidity, and then boom, yeah, there is a possible short here, or there is a possible long here. Like you can just make a chart analysis in like 9 10 seconds, and you can just see it once you get that eye right. But it takes some time to get that third eye. Alright, still waiting on this. Turned out nothing. GU. Exactly, every weekend at my zone and my. Yeah, man, yeah. It's nice, man. That's nice. But on GU, like, man, you got in this, but you got a long ass target, right? You told me like 480. Yeah. Like I don't know how big your stop loss is, but god damn, you looking for the moon, boy. Exactly, exactly. Hours of backtesting, man. Hours and hours to get that showering on me, you know? Ay, ay, ay. Damn, we go for four four viewers to 9 viewers. I bet some pussy is gonna drop right now. Let's see. There's no signal today, boys. At least not yet. But if you want to ask questions and learn, feel free. Like there you go. One pussy that dropped. Alright, but yeah, this GU could have been a win maybe. How much hours do you have in backtesting? Like you mean like the FX replay where it says like the hours? I'm not sure, bro. It's like not even hours. It's like days, and I think it got reset because you know how they have like a new version of FX replay. I mean it depends, But maybe if you watch my channel, I don't know if you know, but if you watch my channel like from the start a little bit, from like almost a year ago, uh, you see like backtesting sessions where the FX Flipper was like no, white and red. The background was like black and red, white and red. Sorry, but yeah, I don't know if it counts with that. Yeah, I don't keep much mind of it. I don't right now. I don't backtest as often. But yeah, you guys should be. If you really want to get good, 30 minutes, 1 hour at least every single day. And weekends, just go hard. Just go 2-3 hours. The thing is that maybe you gotta make some pauses after 1 hour. Because then you're not already at 100% capacity and you're just doing bullshit and just damaging the data that you're collecting. But if you're on a roll, like if you're doing well, then just keep going. But yeah, man. But I've heard guys that trying to be profitable traders, they're not even capable of opening trading view every single day. I can't make miracles, boy. You close to that. YM. And this just keeps playing, man. So for NAS, as we coming to London close, maybe see something like this and short it. Maybe. Still risky though, still risky. Oh, ES is already doing it. Yeah, man, what are you seeing? What are you guys seeing? Oil is in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, silver is about to go up. How much would this be? Yeah. Yeah, don't know. Yeah, can you trade? Yeah, yeah, I believe you can. Well, maybe not on FXCM, of course, right? Yeah. Um, but it can't be. Or wait. DAX futures. Maybe if it's correlated to it. Oh yeah, at least this one you can. At least this one you can. As it moves the same. Look, I can. The thing is, like, I'm thinking about, because like, for futures is so much cheaper. Like you can literally see below me as you got 80% off with Apex using my code Dylan, but like it's so much cheaper, and then you only pay the full price once you already got funded. And I can also trade Forex on futures prop firms. I could just go, instead of going for USD on a CFD firm, I would just go 6E and have the Euro FX futures. Yeah, 80% is absurd, but that's like the norm in futures. Like everybody does these like crazy promos, you know. Whereas Forex is a bit more chilled. It's a bit more like you pay the full price, and then there's no fees later on. I mean, it isn't available there, but the Apex is not, right? But what about other firms? Because you got funding pips over there, so you might have funding ticks, which is the futures firm of funding pips that they just opened, and they are nice. Like what they're doing, funding ticks, it's crazy. You literally get like the like the future benefit side of the platforms of the rules, and like the Forex benefits of like the funding stages. Because on the funded, like there's no rules, there's no consistency rules, there's no minimum threshold to withdraw money. It's literally like same as a Forex account. But then the challenge part is kind of like futures, which is also good. Like there's consistency rule, there's trailing drawdown, but it's like cheaper, way cheaper, and like easier to pass. I mean, in a certain sense, because the percentage target is lower, smaller. But yeah, at the same time, Apex also super good. You get 80% off with my code, and you can literally just stack them. As 50Ks, they cost $20 something, and then you can just get as much as you want until 20. And you either copy trade all of them, you either trade them individually, and you just make it easier to get funded. The more accounts you have, of course, you're gonna have more likelihood of getting funded. I just trade them individually, but you can also like do the trade copier example, which a lot of the futures guys do. They just say just like buy 20 50K accounts and just trade it all at once. Because realistically, like you can get like if every 50K account costs us $20 something, you get 20. That's like $400 of challenges. Yeah, something like that. Then yeah, you have the activation fee, but like once you're paying the activation fee, it's already on the funded stages. And on Forex, you pay up front, and you don't even know if you're gonna be funded. Okay, we're doing what you were predicting, Wick. We're doing that. Right now it's doing this, and all I need to see, like this. Once I get max funding with FTMO, I'm maxed out on there with fun, and I'm gonna rise it. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, man, check it, because then like you can trade the Forex side. You like we were saying, the DEX you can. The DEX you can, as you got like the copy, as you got the future side of it. And then anything that's Forex, you just go to the futures pair of it. Because USD, the CFD, FXCM, Oanda, it's all fake. It's all like a replica of that Forex, that future side of the pair. So like for USD it's 6E, for GBP USD is like 6B. Yeah, for GPY is like J. And there's multiple. Then Australian dollar. These are all against dollar, the US dollar. So then CME, you can trade it on the Apex accounts. If I pull up trades, like I can literally trade. And then you get the good feature of trading the trading in trading view, which is quite cool. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. And what time is it? Yeah. I don't know. It's possible. It's a possible short, right? I'm seeing this area right here. This low is the middle. It's in the middle of nowhere. We can easily go to London lows, Asia lows, but if we take these, might as well just take the whole thing, and then coming to this efficiency right here. So I can see this potentially working out, as it's also going to be London close, which you can have the bias confluence of London being bullish, New York being bullish. So you can have a retracement of the day. The only thing is that London calls on futures tends to deliver a few traps more than it does on New York. So we can literally go to my stop loss again. Trading in training view. Yeah, man. Yeah. Nah, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. I like it. I like it. Because there's no like calculation of loss. I can just pull this in and then drag it to wherever I want it to be. Just do sell, do stop, something like this. I drag it like this and then pull the stop loss where it should be. The only thing in futures you can't do like fractional contracts. So in here, for example, if I want to go 500 on risk, I mean, 1 is the max I could do. Because then if I can't go like 1.1, 1.2, I gotta do whole units. So then it would be like 900 if I go to 2. So then if you want to switch, you gotta go from the mini to the micro, which is even smaller of a pair. And then maybe you can get to that 500 close. But yeah, this I'm gonna keep an eye on it, because you might take it. Might take it on the challenge, which I don't even care. That's how you should think of challenges, by the way. Because they also shouldn't hurt you financially as well. I know people that's trading like they are not fully profitable yet, and they're like trading 100Ks, 200Ks, and they are like on those for almost a year, just because it's like a decent amount of money for them, and they just don't want to blow it. But then they spend all their time in those, like trying to save it at -9%, -9.9. I was that guy as well. But yeah, it's just better for you to either start on 10Ks or just keep it smaller at risk. Just go for smaller challenges and just do them more aggressive. Instead of buying 100K, maybe buy 3 25Ks or 2 50Ks, something like that. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Let's see, boys. Let's see. Because then, hey, London close my move a lot as well. My move a lot. Sometimes it might just dump in here. As New York didn't move. It moved a bit, but moved just a bit bigger than London. And it isn't that type of just trend of a run in futures. So, hey, a move on London close, it's possible. Yeah, just like this. Nasdaq can sweep it again and then come back lower. Australian dollar. Like Australian dollar, if you want to be risky, you can trade the longs in here to search for that liquidity, right? But we can still continue to the downside and just sweep this. So there is a risk on that. You might see it coming down here and then take the longs to take advantage of this liquidity if it does sweep it today. But either way, I'll still hold it overnight if I'm in. But there's not much, bro. God damn, 14 people, man. Leave a like, man. But I think this is YouTube bugging. How's the weather in KL, by the way, Sean? If you're still there, it's probably like raining a lot or like cloudy and then just raining for like an hour or so, but strong. Either way, I'll just go there to lock in. And then we on the run, bro. Then it's back to Thailand, maybe Vietnam, and I don't know. Absolutely cooking mate. Oh, okay. I mean, if it's sunny, I'm a bit surprised, yeah. But cooking, I mean, normal, as it's always like 30 degrees over there. But yeah, boys. Have you ever been to like other parts of Malaysia? But I don't even know if there's much to do in the other parts as well. Like is it Penang? There's also Malacca. But maybe it's just beach or something. Fucking hell. And shitty ass markets. Okay. Finally getting something. Right? I'm watching this. Now I've only been. Exactly. Better on Thailand. Yeah, man. What about like? Have you ever been like to any other country besides like Malaysia and Thailand over there in like Southeast Asia? Because Vietnam looks nice, especially like Da Nang. Looks like a Asian Miami. Sheesh, alright. Exactly, exactly. Looks like a mini Miami. Yeah, exactly. I mean, come with us, man. I mean, let's do it, man. Let's do it. Once the weather starts to get nice there, which I think is like February. Let's hit it. Because otherwise, there's no point in going to those places when the weather is shit. Because the weather like plays a big part in those places. So it's like go to Samui, man, and if it isn't like sunny or like clear sky, it's just a bit ugly. It doesn't hit the same. That's why I'm going for to KL for a bit. Because KL in the rain still alright. Just a matter of locking in. Exactly, man. Exactly. Especially y'all from the UK, man. Y'all climate is like super depressing. Just clouds every single day. Just cloudy. Yeah, man. Yo, 9 people in here. Come on. One more like to the 10. Let's get those likes up, man. Let's see. I'm perhaps going in on some longs on EU in a little bit. Like EU is quite slow. It's quite slow, so give it some time. And I don't know about this though. I don't know about this. Just keeps going up. I might as well just leave it. For this, also wanted to long it, but it didn't came to make me a sweep around here. You guys seeing anything? If you got some questions, feel free to drop them. I'll see your chat coming in, right? And in exchange, you leave me a motherfucking like and help me grow the stream. So I also keep myself motivated in doing more of these. Nasdaq can also do a little sweep in here. Damn, yeah, future is in here as well. I mean, you're not gonna help your boys out in Nepal, bruh? Or you're still in Australia, hiding? Something like this. If we sweep the black line. Who do we have in here, man? Say hello, say hello. Yeah, he's hiding for sure. Getting the blue passport, baby. Not coming back. Damn. Yeah, is he still on Thailand? I saw like his recent video clip, the no comment or whatever. It's like it was on Thailand, right? Yeah, but he's still on the run, or because he got released from jail in Dubai, right? His latest YouTube tune is jokes, laughing at the feds and posting. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I saw it. It's crazy, man. Or is it like UK feds? Like he can't go to the UK. Nah, Fredo is a G. Who do y'all listen to, man? Who do y'all listen to from the UK? He paid his bail in cash and bounced. Yeah, I mean, but he stayed there a few months, right, or a whole year. So just joining. What's today bias? Today's bias, man, is patience. But nah, waiting on this on EU and uh, Australian dollar probably not today, but waiting on this on Nasdaq maybe. Besides that, there's nothing for today. Let's see this London close if things move. But yeah, not seeing much. Not seeing much. But yeah, like I was saying, if you boys just listen to like American rap and y'all not tuning to the UK scene, like, nah, it's crazy how just London has, hold on now, but better talent than just like the whole states almost. Somebody disagrees, hey, come on, let's get controversial. But I wish I could play some music in here, but they will stop out the stream immediately. Otherwise, we would have been playing some Dave, some Fredo, some I am so high. Girl, you're groupie, no need to lie. I am so high. Nah, man. Come on, man. Did someone remove their like, man? Come on, boys. Let's run it up to 10, man. If you have some trading questions, just drop it down below. Market's dead, man. But hey, there's no. Creed in Cali. Yeah. Exactly. What's my cologne? Yeah. Now that sample is a banger on the song. I am so high. Nah, but out of the UK, my favorite is Dave. Dave, uh, maybe Fredo in second, and then maybe Skepta. I don't know. Too many people, man. Too many people. Damn, I'm losing more likes. People don't like Fredo or what? Your top three music? Wanna know? Nah, at least from the UK, man. At least from the UK. But as in recent times, maybe like Dave is like top one like worldwide in my rap scene. Maybe. But yeah, I think I listen to way more UK music from the UK than the American one. Because American one, unless like Kendrick is dropping, who else, man? Who else? Like J Cole, but then there's nothing, man. It's the same old repeated bullshit. Youngin, I don't think I know him. Daily Duppy. Let me think. Daily Duppy's. Uh, Sanchez nice. Fredo. For me, Fredo has it. The two are nice. The uh, the P Money one. P Money one. Punchlines on punchlines. Um, Digga D cool. Uh, there's not many Daily Duppies that I listen to, really. I'll check that one out, the Youngin one. It takes it. All right, man. That's a big statement, man. Cause like Fredo's one is like 6 minutes, and then the other one is like 8 minutes, like going hard. Yo, let's see. I don't know. I obviously don't know, so can't can't make an argument on that. I'll check it out though. I'll check it out. You guys seeing anything in trading or what? Or is it boring for y'all as well? Okay. Man, EU should have been doing the same as GU by now. Thinking this. I am so high. Come on. Come on, people. Get those likes up. Now, but I know the markets are shit. I can't do much. Can't do much on that. But if you guys want to learn something, just type it in or say something, or just say some bullshit. We can talk about anything here. Just type it in the chat. We were talking about music. What you guys think? What you think? What you guys think is better, the UK or the American rap scene? Oh, we just got something here. And as soon as I see this motherfucking trade, people joining. All right, you boys want some signals? I'm about to give it to you, bruh. Are you on TikTok, bruh? Why would I get on TikTok, man? I mean, I know shit grows fast, but it also has like cancer people, you know? Why would I get on TikTok? Like, I want to track, like, and I won't grow that fast because, like, the type of people TikTok attracts, like, yeah, American, nah, you bugging. I think you know my answer. Yeah, Sean is UK, but yeah, you can be kind of biased, but yeah, exactly. Brain rot. Like, what would I be there for? Educational value? I can't, because TikTok people they don't have a brain. And then it's just a pain in the ass to be uploading in another app. Even on Reels for Instagram, it's fucking tiring. No, nothing happened here. Who do you listen to, Future, to say American? If you don't drop me solid people here, come on. Or you just don't know. If you don't know, we're gonna put you on some game in Vietnam. Gonna put you on some. I so. Yeah. Girl, you're a groupie, no need to lie. Just a tree. Just a tree. I am so high. Wait. Am I on a good account? Taking in this bitch. I need 3.3k. 3.3k. What's my cologne? Evelyn and Rich. Fire in the booth. I gotta watch that shit. God, nah, man. I listen to whoever, to be honest. Okay. But it depends on whatever is though. Cause it's some if it's some R&B, like auto tune. I mean, the UK got that too. You know, Mist, who sings that tune stuck in your head. Tune stuck in your head, KO'd someone on the Mist. I think I've heard about it. Mist. Yeah, I don't know. Like I also don't listen to a bunch of them, but are the UK. Uh, what who do I have? I have like Digga D, Dig That, Fredo Dave, of course, Stormzy, JME, Skepta, Gigs, H, um, like Central C, um, more of the main ones really. Uh, Clavish as well. He's nice as well. And yeah, I'm one of those ones, I guess. Okay. New York, New York. Come on, man. Putting this. Boom. See if it gets tagged. Sand Q short. Going for London close. Retracement. London was bullish. New York was bullish. So London close might be bearish. You know? So yeah, he was probably not going to give us. Q. We didn't take this. But it's also slow. Yeah, man. Give me some likes, man. Give me some likes. Might be in on this. Who's gambling? Who's gambling with me? I mean, it's not a gamble, but you know, it is a risky one. It is a risky one. London close on these. Drake, Tekka, Cole, Yay, Trav, okay. Dave, Satch, okay. At least you put Dave in there. But yeah, Cole, yeah. 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 I also listen to a bunch of genres really. But yeah. Solid, I guess. Not gambling when you know you're gonna win. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. There's more chances I lose than I win. But yeah, it's still a challenge, and it's still on a platform challenge that I don't even care. Yeah, man. See, yes, structure. There's nothing, but yeah. And QSC, but even if it gives us the TP, it won't give it in a stream because like I can't be bored. I'll end this beforehand. Artist says we're gonna be trillionaires, bro. Of course. But you swing trade, man. Are you sure you can be? I'm just kidding. Because then you would have to wait years and stuff. But nah, man, you got it. Fresh, new 200 KZ, you know? You already took her virginity or what? Let's see if we get this, man. I want 100%, no 50-50. I get money by my name in 50. Went to the line, took a young buck, brown, purple, pinky, and I put pink stones in the pinky. Come on, boys. She got popped on you. Yes, sir. I mean, she like it then. She like it then. She's liking it then. Let's see this. Let's see this. Of course, it won't probably be TP on stream. I'll probably end this soon in a bit. It depends on how the trade goes, but the market really is that there's just this, and it's still a kind of risky one. But hey, who knows? We can easily come here tomorrow or so and then start to look for longs again. Because then it's a better probability trades. Let's see, man. If y'all want to know something, hey, just type it in the chat, man. Type it in the chat. Come on, be active, boys. The number one on this stream is Sean, but like Sean doesn't need to learn how to trade, you know? But if you boys are not profitable yet, then take advantage, man. How many of you here trade ICT or SMC? Oh yeah, what do you guys trade? If not liquidity. If not something like me. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, I'll try to do it for at least this month, every single day, and then we'll see. Cause also then October I'm gonna be in KL, and streaming at night. I don't know, and obviously won't do this for long. Cause then this is like a 9 to 5 job, really. And if I'm out here like waiting on this trade, like I usually do, or if the market is dead, yeah. Hold up. Give me just a second, boys. Gotta go to the toilet because of this monster. We back. Gonna be. I knew people are scared to comment here. I don't know, man. They're scared of being profitable. They're comfortable in their 9 to 5s, in their usual life. Nah, man, I don't know. Yeah, that's true as well. Let's hope you just come here and there, man. Can be more active. Come on. And at the same time, you both tied up on the second thing here with the YouTube thing with the crowns. But I hope you boys have dropped your likes, right? I'm also just saying this to keep me talking, keep me active, because markets are dead. So we gotta talk in this. At least I can teach y'all boys something if y'all have some questions, and it motivates me to do more, to continue with these lives. But yeah, nothing in here, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, because this is an Asian pair, maybe you would get Australian dollar to sweep this in Asia or right now, and then the shorts can be valid. I don't know. Come on, let's see. Let's see if we can get in on this challenge, pass it in one go, because we like that. And if you want to get challenges as well, can go for super cheap, uh, 80% off on Apex. What put you off taking the G? Nah, like mechanically everything was here, like liquidity swept, multiple sweeps, so it makes it kind of unclear. But then the session like did the two sweeps which I just needed, at least for my in the same session for my strategy. But what put me off was like EU with the liquidity just above it. You know, DXY looked kind of alright. I mean, I kind of had it. I kind of had it on stop or something in an account, but then I was about to start the stream, and then I saw this like playing around a bit, and I'm like, I'm gonna take it off. But then it's whatever. It was just being taken on a challenge. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing with Australian dollar as well. You have this beautiful liquidity above here, but then it's gotta match with the XY somehow. So maybe we can see the XY breaking this and then retrace a little bit, because it still has distance with this other liquidity on the XY. So maybe you can see that. Congrats to Sean on this GU. I don't know if anyone else took it. I know some of you saw it. Wick saw it, but just beforehand. I don't know about New York. This kind of playing. But these can literally melt just out of nowhere. Right to right. But besides that, are you boys seeing anything right now? We got a sweep of the trend line here, but I don't normally trade after sweeps of trend lines like this. But this, it came almost to tap this efficiency. Could kind of tell. But yeah, probably wait for this tomorrow, or maybe we'll even go today on the mini Dow Jones. But yeah, this is just a pair that I'm seeing. NQ and ES are the main ones for futures, and for Forex is EU and GU. I'll love to buy EU right now here, but yeah, as it keeps going up, I'll probably just leave it. Probably no setup on Forex today, boys. I mean, it was this GU. So I missed this GU today, which is still not finished. And I missed out on this GU the other time because I wasn't on the charts. But yeah, clean 5R. My frequency kind of dipped a lot once I blew my fund accounts. Yeah, maybe you decreased your frequency to increase the win rate, to go pick better class setups. Probably gonna get tagged in, boys. That dopamine hitting. I haven't taken the trade since like Tuesday. Is anyone taking this? Let me know. Cause I don't want y'all to just take signals because of it. You know, it's if it matches with your strategy or your vision, then cool. But if it doesn't, like, just don't take it. You know, trust your gut. If you feel like it's gonna continue to go up, then don't take it. But if you are taking, I would like to know if it matches with your guys' vision, and if you're seeing the same thing as me. Because if you try to take the signals as me, you might just get my negative side of the probabilities, right? You might just get my negative traits if you like pick and choose between them. You are, but I mean, you are on paper though, right? And you don't even trade futures. Let me know. Let me know. I mean, guys, we're finally gonna gamble. We're finally, finally gonna trade. Why do you see the M5 breaker? You mean like why am I taking this structure right here? Besides this one right here? I mean, it's just a bit more refined to get a bit smaller of a stop loss. And you can see how, just because of these candles, there was some structure on the 1 minute for sure. Right here. So if this gets taken, this week will probably go too. But it is risky. It is risky. Like, we can like tag me in and then go stop me out without even breaking this week. But I think we can go to at least here, maybe, and that would put me on some floating profits instead of just entering here, and also allows me a smaller win rate, smaller stop loss, which for me to target like 3 in here and also target less, because I got a bit done with a trade today. I can't hold overnight. 10:45 M5 candle. I mean, you're probably speaking on New York timing, right? But if you mean like 45, yeah, you're talking about my entry. Yeah, it's the one I just explained. So yeah, man, we got 9 people over here. I'm about to take a trade. Not financial advice. I see more people hopping in. If you want to take a trade, here we go. Make sure it's confident to what you're seeing as well. It's not the best looking of trades, right? It can be a stop loss. High chance of being it. I don't have 100% win rate. Don't even have it above 50. So yeah, if it is a loss, be mindful of that. And also drop a like. Drop a like if you get value, or just ask a question. I'll give the motherfucking value. Yeah, boys. Well, I see the rest. The rest of the market is looking kind of dead. Am I getting this? I'm full porting that trade on paper. Good, good, man. Good. Full ported, full ported. This as well. This is kind of a sign that we're going lower as well. But this is just a little bit. And yes is already doing a bit more than NQ. But we can just melt. At least we weren't tagged in on this. Because hey, it is futures. But on FX, we would be in. Of course he is. Come on, somebody put a like on. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate that. YM dropped still, or oh no, it's still at the same. But yeah, I was seeing longs in this all day, but until this London low though, because then you're seeing this rejection of the sweep of Asia and this previously low, I guess. Yeah. And it's too beautiful, too good to be true. Most likely gonna be a trap. Short that. Yes, sir. Got my man Luke in here. I mean, if we're on the same bias as Luke, we're probably doing all right, right? Look, man. I'm watching this on NQ. What about you? On YM, the pair you told me, I would love to. I would love to trade it. You got shorts of 45.950. Yeah, yeah, man. I just this level for me wasn't that much, but yeah, I was expecting this level all day. I love you too, man. Love you too. But I mean, there's a high chance it can be a stop loss as well. I would prioritize the longs, but no chance to take them today. So shorts as a retracement is the only thing I'm seeing today for futures. And that Dow Jones level of London low. Yes, the structure looks kind of ugly, but it's kind of the same as NQ. Let's see, I'm still not in on NQ. Still waiting. Yeah. Man, we got some solid traders in the chat. You boys don't even know. You watching this and not even taking advantage. And you don't even know who these people are, bruh. Meanwhile, you're amongst killers, man. Motherfucker is probably already trading NQ. Let me have a look at the NQ and start trading. Can't even give his opinion on. Nah, you're probably getting a TP on a YM maybe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nah, I got you, bro. I got you. Bro, we got 6 people on the stream, but meanwhile, 2 of them are absolute killers. Like Sean and Luke, man. Props to y'all to be in here. But like, just the other guys, like y'all are amongst killers, boys. Meaning, if you want advice, take advantage now. Because I'm not super famous. The chat isn't just going crazy. You can just speak and everybody will see your message. Well, I at least will see it, and respond to you. But yeah, we're waiting on this NQ to give an entry. If it does so, we'll probably know the result of the trade like after the stream, or I'll tell you guys tomorrow. Man, that Jew is reversing, Sean. You like break even or so? I'll have a stops to break even, or you just like let it run. It's either TP or stop loss for you. And this shit melting. Man, I don't know. I don't know which one of which one of y'all is the biggest killer, man. Y'all both killers for sure. Yeah, I protected earlier. I don't know. You guys can go Ben for Ben. Yeah, but nah, man. Nah, but looks on futures. Sean is on Forex. Different. I don't know. We might have a third killer on the chat if he's still active. Yeah. Man, this shit is slow. But you eating off them shorts. Yo, Wick. Yeah, Wick's still here, man. Alright, who's a killer here? We got 15 people watching. Who's a killer here? Let's see, man. Let's go band for band. All shorts I took earlier break even. Yeah, I think you mean shorts. Yeah. I mean shorts. Still clothing. Yeah, that was that, but break even on what? On GU? Probably like EU as well. I mean, EU was because you have the overall higher time frame liquidity up here. So it was kind of risky to short. Australian dollar might do this. Asia or right now on London close. Not really gonna touch it. Ring it for ring it. They barely know what that money is, bro. NQ. I mean, you got lucky for having break even on NQ. Or you're like scalping or so, because this motherfucker just going up. Man, go ring it for ring it, man. Crazy. But anyone in any trades? You still on a? Oh yeah, you protected yourself. But oh yeah, it might still be far from your entry. Yeah. Mm. Man, this shit is slow. Being crazy as always. Then why am at the cleanest move are the three of my model. I mean, yeah, YM had the a sweep of the trend line and a sweep of all these equal eyes it was forming, and then it's almost also taking out this wick that also looks too good, too beautiful to be true, too good to be true. Yeah, that swept this Asia low and all that. I wanted it to sweep this already and then go look for longs. Are you from Malaysia, Sean? Nah, he's from Scotland, but he lives there. Longs on 24.34. Yeah. I can see longs off below 24.80, or yeah, around here. Uh, yeah, this would look good. Yeah, around your range. Yeah, yeah. I want to prioritize longs as well if we manage to get to these levels. But let's see these shorts, or let's see like tomorrow and throughout the week if you can get it. Yeah, let's see. You got a sniper entry maybe. 136, 120. Yeah. Bruh, you got a like super small time frame entry. It would have been like even smaller than mine. Even better than mine. I mean, YM always moves better with ICT traders in my opinion. If anyone wants to back this, have done my homework. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't know. I don't know it well enough, but from what I've seen on futures, futures move better for ICT. Like if you trade ICT, I wouldn't touch FX that much. I would move over to futures. You'd be way better off. Just by the fact of also waiting for market open, you'd be better off. But yeah, let's see. I'm keeping an eye on the pair though, every single day, and but haven't still taken a trade on it. Oh, 250s, 241. Yeah. Okay, it's the same. I mean, hopefully, bro. Hopefully, but it's getting late. It's getting late and it's slow. If it sweeps above, I'll cancel it and watch it later. I have another sitting on 587. You mean like to close, or like? Oh, you gotta short it again. No, but don't you mean 587 right here? Oh wait, no, you mean like this. Or am I bugging? Long. Okay. Yeah, I would like to long it here as well. Oh, okay. Yeah, way. Way deeper, way deeper. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I see, I see, I see. Come on, let's get this up to 10 likes. That would be good for the day. One more like. One generous people out there in the chat. I know that this is some boring ass trading, but as far as the live stream goes, we're still on the greens from the first stream. At least some of y'all are winning. Hopefully no one was tagged in on this. If this was FX, it would have been sad. That's the way it is. Yeah, man. Oh, hopefully this goes through for you, Sean. Yeah. Yeah, this would have been stop loss. Yeah. 28 on NQ would have been a break and retest long for me to. Oh yeah, like above the current high. Man, yeah, it can slowly continue up. Or what you mean? Oh, you mean like here? Okay. Yeah, gold is whatever, man. For my strategy, at least, most of these are like untradeable to me. No setup. Eh, maybe along here, but besides that, nothing and nothing. Oh yeah, I had a student that took this short on gold. But yeah, gold moves like a motherfucker. I don't know. I don't like it. But I know a lot of people trade it. But all of these three, the metals, the commodities, they're all crazy. They're all crazy pairs. I mean, yeah, but at the same time. Oh yeah, if you're still down to do it, I'll let you know. I'll let you know. What you want me to do? Like a video, and I'll send it to you. Might get in on some longs in here. If we sweep this, still decent timing. Then you can target the highs of New York right here. But I don't know if they will get hit today. I'd be down. Things are just boring. Just running lots of statistic papers at the moment. Just send a lot of. Yeah, I won't send you much. But at the same time, yeah, I gotta think of stuff that would be specific for the bot itself. So yeah, I'll think about it, but I won't do it as complex. At the same time, because in a way that I'm thinking, you can also give us a setup every single day, but a setup every single day won't necessarily be high cost setup. I don't know. Yeah, like I'll try, and then like I'll send it to you, and then if you want me to get more specific, then just tell me. But I'll send you like a loom of 10, 20 minutes or so. Again, you can try to can kind of make it based off that. Just will you it should be cool. We'll call it and shit later. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'll be down. Take you, bro. Gonna bounce, bro. Ah, man. Nah, thank you for being here, man. Thank you for being here, Sean. Have a good time, bro. Or have a good night, I guess. Thank you for being in here. Thank you for being active. Always appreciate it. I mean, if you boys just want to like come come watch the stream and have it in one monitor and just have your monitors in the on the side, you can just do it and make your strategy the reason. I mean, yeah, that could be one argument. Yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. On futures, I made my strategy way more simple than just on EU. Then I can kind of send you also one or a few backtesting sessions that I have recorded of me trading the strategy on NQ and ES, so you can also see it like on action. This will probably fail, but we'll still keep it until it goes up. But YM, the thing is that this block might be big. This block might be too big. And then until that high, it's what? It's like 2R. So, is it worth it? Because if it was 3, I mean, let's see. If it drops even more and builds me some structure on the candles on M5, I would have a refined position and take the longs. Because I was waiting on this London low all day, and right now it looks better than NQ. It's way better than NQ. Right, people, anyone taking anything, you boys feel free to chat in here. I can see the messages, every single one popping off. At least market open, yeah. Like the market being open makes it a better confluence, and then yeah, maybe depends until, I mean, I was gonna tell you times, but you obviously on different timings. But at least until like 2 hours before market close, I won't trade past then. Because putting it in simple terms, it's just like having market open, have it sweep some liquidity, have at least like some decent structure to position myself on some M5 candles or so, and also have like a bias for my target, like having sweeping some liquidity on one side and having some decent liquidity to target on the other. That's basically it on futures, but it also obviously goes a bit deeper than that, and the liquidities can be subjective, can be a Asia sweep, can be a London sweep, but it can also be like something on a higher time frame. Again, in here it's kind of like this, but yeah. Yeah. For me, it's always like a reverse. I'm always catching, well, at least for the day, yeah. I'm always catching like the low of the day or high of the day, let's say. I might look for a short on AU if the XY takes weekly low. I mean, that's good, but that's good though. Because it's an Asian pair, it can move during Asia. So you can sweep it now, and then Asia moves a lot, meaning, okay, you can't sweep your stop loss, but it can also give you a continuation and give you a TP. That's a good factor on it. A bad one, it would be UNGU sweeping it and then hovering around this area, and then having your stop loss as the previously high, previously low. EU is also running. Let's see. I got alerts on that. YM, I mean, if I really want to be greedy, I'll have like a position like this, and then stop loss on whatever low it ends up being. It ends up doing. Let's see, NQ. Yeah, I can cancel this. I mean, no gamble, boys. No gamble, but at least no losing trade, right? ES kept the same high though. Do you have any other plays in your playbook? No continuation? Nah. No, I just don't like because continuation is kind of in the middle of a move. But it depends. It can be continuation, but like in the next day, like within days, you know, and not exactly on the same day. Like I wouldn't trade in like any of these candles or range. You know, the past. Let me show you. Like the past week or so. No, here there's nothing. Maybe on M15 is better. So like here you kind of have a continuation between like this low and this high, but this is within the day, right? Previous sweep of the previous daily low and then go up. Here, I don't think I had a, no, I did had a trade here. Like sweep of this Asia low and then continuation to the upside, but it's continuation like spaced out during different days, let's say, and not within the same day. So basically like last week or so I got a win here, taking on this bullish move, got a win here on this bullish move, and then for my strategy I could have also had a short here, a long here. Let me see. Yeah, higher time frame continuation, but let's say reversal on the day. Okay, might be a gamble here. I mean, I don't know why I keep saying gamble. They're going up. DXY. Yeah, DXY looks good off of this liquidity, which will probably do the same as EU, but EU has that liquidity just above. So yeah, for me, what's looking best right now, it's this YM. It's this YM. Uh, right now, right now. Uh, I'll risk like two. Yeah, I'll risk like 2K, 1K, and then uh, be happy with a 2R. Maybe. Can't be greedy for the 3 because there's not much to target here. There's already this. Yo, what's up? I'll do your analysis soon. Just wait a little bit, brother. Boom, boom. Let's see this YM plays out. I'm not even on the. This is mini. So, say fuck it. UJ looking. Alright, but I like this, man. I like this. Keep active, boys. If you want to see some pairs, if you want me to give some analysis, just let me know. Alright, UJ. UJ. I think we discussed UJ a few days ago. So. Oh yeah, somebody asked me on the stream how longs looked, and he would got himself a win. I would thought we would sweep this though. We didn't. We respect it. So for UJ, I wouldn't touch it until we either sweep this or sweep this. These lows, these highs, I mean, will get swept definitely, but people might be going on longs here in order to search for these relative equal highs, but we might trap them, meaning sweep this whole thing, and then come higher, or sweep this level and then go higher. That's what I'm seeing for UJ. Let me know if you're seeing the same thing. But that doesn't necessarily mean I would look for shorts here, even though I'm a bit confident that this level will get swept, because in here there's nothing for me to take. I mean, me now is asking who trades Dow Jones. I mean, I don't, but look, he's a G here, and he's telling me how this moves better than NQ and ES. So we're about to see. And in fact, like it has a bit more action than I mean, I don't know. I was about to say more action than ES and NQ today, but I guess those fuck. I guess those just went up today. Proper traders. Let's see, man. Let's see. I'm looking at this. Let me know if you're looking at something similar in this or other pairs. Y'all can just discuss, man. Feel free. But I like to see people in here. Are you Portuguese, Miguel? Or are you Spanish? Nah, but probably Portuguese. It's all put on benson. Alright, boys. Let's see. Let's see. I don't like how it's living like this mini ass gap. But hey, let's see. It's a bit late. It's a bit late, but we can get this easy. If it plays in our favor, we can get this. And as it's always, it's moving kind of decent. Moves kind of decent, so also gives me reassurance that we might hit it. And then it's a whole like smart money trap cycle I have, because this level was a trap, right? This London low, for most part, and it's all also became like equal low, but it's like it retested, right? So it's like, because this was a trap, this can become a trap, as it also looks good, as it was the high that made this breaker structure right here. So right now we can come back to it, making in a trap, and then price will either go up from there or go down. But to here, yeah, for sure. There's a high probability. Let's see. You guys let me know if you take this, if it looks confident to you as well. But I mean, I guess most of y'all don't trade Dow Jones though, because you maybe not proper traders. People, we got 8 people in here. Come on, just one more like for the 10 likes. If we don't get 10 likes, I'm not doing a stream tomorrow. Come on. I'm giving off these signals. I'm keeping it real. You got the timer in here, you know. Even if I wanted to fake it, I'm not that specialized in this shit. You might still see some technical mistakes. So, where was I entering on Thursday for YM? I mean, for me, I didn't trade YM. This might be my first trade on YM. And I don't know when I started watching YM. On Wednesday, I almost got a short in here, but it was obviously like news move, so not tradable. And then Thursday, you mean? Yeah, Thursday, I wouldn't trade this. I mean, I saw it sweeping London, but I don't know. I was just not confident. Like, don't like all of these being together. Would prefer it like to sweep everything, honestly, to just go down. But yeah, I mean, it was some news as well here. So 607. Oh, but you did like some continuation then, right? Oh, when you waited for market open. Yeah, retest. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Yeah, then that was a crazy long. Crazy long. Well played then. Come on, 11 people watching this shit. Come on, 10 likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We got a stream tomorrow. I mean, I'll do them. But you boys gotta be active as well to motivate me to show up. I want to give you all the trades. I want to give you all the knowledge. But I mean, the knowledge I can give you easy. But I mean, you have to type it in the chat. Like, I can't figure out what you're going through if you don't tell me, you know. But for the trades, market conditions haven't been the best, at least for me. I haven't taken a single trade since Tuesday on both Forex and the futures. I did miss some on Forex, like 1 or 2 recently, but futures, yeah. No, futures, I didn't miss none. That wasn't just none for my strategy. So this might actually be the first one. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see if I even get tagged in. Know if the stream is good. What are you boys seeing? What are you boys seeing? Or if you want me to check some stream, you should have 10 now. Yeah. I saw it, man. Thank you. If that was you, thank you, man. Appreciate it. I'll give you guys some value in exchange for your likes. But you guys need to tell me what you want to know, or what pairs you want me to look at. We missed. I mean, we didn't miss out. We didn't take this on GU because I was kind of 50-50 on it. It was, mechanically it was good, but EU and DXY kind of contradicted. And so as of now, you're seeing it would have been beautiful until 2.2R, and then it would be tagging me out break even right now. So yeah, that was that, and nothing else on other pairs. We was almost on a short on NQ. Thankfully, we didn't get tagged as it continued to go up. And right now, we're looking at Dow Jones maybe. Oh, we are almost tagged in on this as well, and right now it's reversing. So we might as well be lucky on this, in the sense of not getting tagged in and stopped out immediately. But let's see. Right now, went up, filling up this little gap here. Let's see if it goes up from here or it just continues to go down. It is London close now, so you might get what I call the retracement of the day. If we're talking on levels, there is Australian dollar, which is this is interesting. This is interesting. If any of y'all are seeing, we also had Australian dollar do an interesting sweep of liquidity the other time, and it would have been a winner here, right? Also on London close, kinda on London close timing, as you can see, as this kill zone right above would have been a winner. I didn't took it, and right now there could be something like this. Depends. You gotta wait for market to stop going up. But yeah, it's super small. I wouldn't take it still. It's super small in terms of pips. Maybe. But yeah, we can go here easy. But that's not the reason. But I wouldn't take the 7-hour target, right? I would keep it at 3 or 5. Either way, I wouldn't be too greedy. Even though I know that there's a high chance that this will be taken. But yeah, as we just swept this liquidity on Australian dollar, which was also making equal highs with the New York session, and right now it's London close, so we might have a retracement of this move. We can go down from here. What we doing here? All right, nice fill of the gap. Let's see if we go up from here. That's right. Hey, you kind of good, man. You kind of good. Who did you learn from? But yeah, you're right. DXY still hasn't filled the gap, but we still have some distance to it. So if we're kind of closer here or whatnot, like I would obviously stay out because it would have been risky. But with this distance, you might have DXY because of now sweeping this, right? Because this was kind of going up, changing character right here or here. Right now, this was a trap. This can be a trap. Price can retrace. I don't know if y'all seen my mouse. Price can retrace to this level, giving you a win on the Australian dollar coming to those lows I was mentioning. Right? Because it's opposite. It's opposite correlated. And then DXY go back to doing this. But let's see. If EU, I also want to see it because yeah, EU still has this high, which I can't remember if it matches with the equal highs on equal lows on DXY, but it is more closer than the DXY liquidity. That's something to see. That's something to see. You know. But yeah, good observation on that, LeBrock. Wait, is YM okay? Not yet. I'm looking at. I'm just looking at this at the moment. Oh, sorry. Is it lagging for y'all? Fuck. Fuck. No, it's still on. But is this stream good for y'all? Fuck. Fuck. Sorry about that, boys. But it says it's good here. It's good now? Hopefully so, man. Give me a one in the chat if it's good. Let me know if it's alright now. I might be getting in on this YM. It's also almost around about time I end up the stream, but since okay, awesome. Since the market might be giving me something, I'll keep it for a little bit, but this might be one of them ones where like Tuesday, like the first stream where I took a trade live, but then we got a TP afterwards. So this might be the same. Like if I get a TP or a stop loss, we might only know like tomorrow if you watch the stream back, or you watch it on the markets for yourself. Like you would know if I got stopped out or TP. Right? That's if we even get in. Let's see if price decides. But we probably gonna be in. And yeah, if we get to like, the only thing is that I only got until here, until 10 p.m. UTC plus 2, until market close. Wherever your time zone is until market closes. That's until when I can hold the trade. So then yeah, if we're like floating in the middle of this, I'll put myself break even or whatnot, and we'll see. But I'm not expecting to be here until the trade is finished. Not because I want to fake it to y'all or anything. It's just because like I can't be bothered, you know. Like I already been streaming for 3 hours, and be here all day, you know. Nah. Okay, we got 12 likes. That's good. Thank you, people. Thank you. Because like I would love to give you trades during New York, but it hasn't been the case so far. But it will be. Like we'll continue to do the streams, and we'll get some trades for sure. Just that we gotta keep pay attention on these London close sessions as well, because there might be some setups, especially for Forex. Oh, it would already be reversing here. Is anyone taking this? Are you guys taking this Australian dollar? It's still not that late in London close though. I would look into it. Might play out. Might play out. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, we got tagged in on the YM, it seems. Nasdaq, yes, keep going up, right? Okay, let's see. This is like the second futures trade of the live streams overall. The first trade we took was a long on ES, which was a TP, almost like a week ago. Then the other days we just didn't had trades. Right now, just entering off of this YM. It's the first trade I ever take on this Dow Jones pair. So yeah, I'm taking this on the challenge though. Only going for 2R. Only going for the smart money trap cycle, for the cycle of liquidity. Making this a smart money trap. We swap liquidity around these levels. But yeah, we're in this. If we get stopped out immediately, you'll see it on stream. But I'll probably most definitely end the stream off before we even get a result on this trade. Let's see, because market's slow. I've been already streaming for like 3 hours. And I don't know. I don't know what this could do. Might be fast, it might be slow. And let's see, you boys in on something? I think that this Australian dollar also looks good. Damn. Yeah, too fast now. Because also I don't know if 2.5 pips it's huge or small for Australian dollar. I guess it's a bit small. It's a bit on the smaller side, of course, but just off of the M5 candles, this would be my entry. So yeah, too late to trade it right now. I mean, you can have a. If I was trading it, this was EU, I would maybe have a limit here to come back to it, sweep this inducement right here, some liquidity, come back to it, and then boom, go off. If I was trading on a limit, but I usually position myself with the stop orders, and it would look like this. I'll be trading this, but I don't trade Australian dollar. I'm just seeing it because it's on a good zone. It's on a good zone, but it's not a pair that I trade. 0.2, okay. Yeah, it's not huge. Yeah, exactly. It might be like equal to like 4 pips, 5 pips in EU. I don't know, but 5 pips I would take on EU. But I wouldn't go below like 4 or so, or below 5 maybe. Yeah. That's what I was thinking. But yeah, what you guys seeing then? Or you probably seeing nothing maybe. Which is valid considering there's not much in the markets right now. I'm just trading that YM, but yeah, that's the only thing I see at the moment. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it does like this type of move to the upside now. Just retrace, you know. Anyone taking this YM? I know who Wick is on paper, maybe, right? Let's see, boys. Feel free to say anything. Really, are you guys enjoying the streams? Are you learning? Are you taking these? All right, just talk, man. Just talk. Otherwise, I'll just end it in a bit. And we'll come back tomorrow. Okay. Okay. I'll look into it, yeah. Because I saw, because it's what I was saying. Like last time I called out a level, a trade. Well, it's already doing this, as you can see. Even though you can retest it back, the stop loss is so small and the floating profits are like decent. I would already be break even on this. But yeah, on a, I mean, you're taking everything, but you didn't take this. Nah, but I know it's kind of small. Um, Last week I called out something, yeah, here, which ended up being a winner. And it was super valid. If this was EU, yeah, taking it with no hesitation. And plus it was London close. So London bearish, London New York bullish, London close retracement of both. And then yeah, I think that was about it for Australian dollar. But yeah, because this liquidity, I was waiting for it a long time. I mean, a long time. I had it on my higher time frame analysis that I've done a few weeks ago. Just traps in here. Then this efficiency, which you got a long in, and right now you could have been doing the ping pong. It's decent. It's decent. It's decent. I'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep an eye on it. So what did Sean was mentioning? Was it Australian, New Zealand? Yeah. Keep an eye on this as well. This might be good. I'll also put it in my alarms, because this on Australian dollar might be decent. Boom. Boom. Alert set. Wait, you took the Wednesday one, the Friday, yeah, you told me, and the Wednesday one, was it the one I called? Yeah. Fire, bro, fire. Fire, man, you on the run. You on the run. Love to see that. Love to see that, bro. Alright, we might have a look at it. Cause then, guys, this is why I say like my strategy, liquidity overall works in all domains. Oh fuck. Let me know if it's good again. We're doing for this for too long, man. We're abusing. But shit. I'ma wait. Let me know if it's all good. Boom. Okay. Oh, it's not that much, but okay. Decent. What's my cologne? Creed and Kelly. I am so high. Damn, we lost a like. Oh no. It's lagging a little bit, but not much. Is the sound alright? I was saying that, yeah, you killing Australian dollar. I have students that are killing it on oil, for example, some in gold, and also we move to futures. Liquidity works everywhere. It's actually also my strategy. So works in all domains. If you guys want to learn, you can check the rest of my channel. Right now the trade is looking like this on YM. Can't say much yet, but decent. And yeah, okay, decent. If it's pushing like this, if it continues to push it, decent. Look, the live stream is fucking boring. There's not much people. There's no sound. There's no music because the fucking YouTube will copyright it and block the stream. Not because I'm scared of monetization or something. There's no fucking trades. But when there is, it kind of plays out. Let's see. Can't speak much on it because it's still early, right? It's still early, and I won't celebrate in this stream because we won't be here streaming until this TP, either TP or stop loss, right? But hey, as far as the live stream goes, we started Tuesday. It's almost gonna be a week of live streams consistently every single day. And we spent most of last week without any trades. But the first day we took one loss on GU, one break even on GU, and a win on ES. That was TP after the stream. So this can be a similar one, right? But I don't advise you just coming for the signals. And I'm also not the master, okay? I don't have a 100% win rate. But I'm showing the reality of trading. So there's no setups every single day. Yeah. There's no setups every single day. I'm almost at the end of my capacity as well. The stream is lagging. I'm fucking lagging as well. Tired as fuck. I'm gonna leave this. Enjoy myself a little Summersby. And watch this motherfucker run. At the same time, like, you gotta accept the loss before it even is a loss, right? I don't fucking know what's gonna happen here. The trade is in right now. It's in God's hands. Just let it do what it wants to do, and we gotta close it. I mean, the market will close it itself before the market close. So it would be nice to have a TP in the next few hours if it has the strength to do so. Australian dollar called it out for you guys, but didn't trade it, so we'll not take the props from it. But yeah, if you guys replay the stream back, you'll see it. And yeah, let's see, man. Let's see. Right, if it's all good, man, let me know if you have any questions, anything you want to touch on. We're 13 likes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being in the stream as well. For the ones that hopped in, you can also replay these streams, learn some, because I'm also dropping gems in between. Also, if you got the patience to do it, as well. But it is good content. If you guys keep coming into this, it will keep me motivated to do more, and I'll also drop value for y'all as well as trades. But yeah, you guys need to be active on the chat, because otherwise I won't know on how to help you. But we're currently on this. Take it on live, of course. This is real markets. There's nothing to be faked out here. You can pull your chart. It will exactly look like this, the YM on M5. If you want to trade it, feel free, but make sure it's conform to your own analysis and not just copy me, because you might get my negative side of the probabilities. I don't have a 100% win rate, not even above 50, so you might get the losing trades. Okay? You either gotta take everything, or you either gotta take nothing to be fully correct, right? And I don't know how we just went from 10 viewers to 5 viewers. That's crazy, but hey, we're up on this position. The real ones are here, which I appreciate. And we hit the goal of 10 likes at least. But hey, I want to start doing 10, not 10, 15, 20. We already did it. We gotta do more, boys. We gotta do more. But I understand the market has been a bit boring, and the stream also lags a few times. But yeah, boys, if you want to get an Apex account, 80% off with the code Dylan. Just get yourself multiple ones, as you can just stack up on them and increase your chances of being funded. I have 2 of them. I'm trading them individually. Would like to go for a challenge pass on this, but don't have enough target. If it was a 3R, I would have went for a challenge pass. But yeah, it's almost a challenge pass, let's say. And I have 2 other accounts that are ready to being passed. So waiting, like, we'll probably pass them. I mean, if I do get some winners on them, of course, within this week or the next. So hey, stay tuned in the live streams, boys. Stay tuned in the live streams, because this currently playing out nice so far. Can't speak on it much still. And we're still up for the live streams PNL, let's say. And I'm overall on fire. Like, my vision is on fire. My not necessarily a winning streak, because I did take a loss before the most recent win. But boys, 1 week was 10R, the second week was 8R, and the most recent week was like 5R. So I am on the run. So if you want to take advantage of the run, just tune in into these live streams, learn, and yeah, hopefully we can catch wins together, which is the most important part. I'll probably stop on now. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, boys. Let me know if you enjoyed the stream. And yeah, appreciate y'all for coming. Hopefully this is a TP, but I'll let you know on my IG or tomorrow on tomorrow's stream. Right? Make sure you follow me on IG as well. And make sure if you want to get accounts, go to Apex and use my code. Get some cheap ass accounts. Right, boys? Thank you, boys, for being in here. And I'll catch you boys tomorrow, bro. I see ya.